Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a tutorial for all the Windows users out there. We'll show you various methods to open the command prompt in Windows. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just need to troubleshoot something, knowing how to access the command prompt can be really useful. There are several methods to open the Windows command prompt, or CMD. Here are some common ways. First method, using the Start menu. Click on the Start button, typically located in the lower left corner of your screen. In the search bar, start typing either CMD or command prompt. As you type, Windows will display search results. You will see command prompt or command prompt admin in the search results. Click on the appropriate option based on whether you want to open it with or without administrative privileges. Second method, using the Run Dialog. Press the keyboard shortcut Win+R to open the Run Dialog. Type CMD or CMD-EXE into the dialog box. Press Enter on your keyboard or click the OK button. Third method is using the taskbar search for Windows 10 and later operating systems. Click on the search icon, usually a magnifying glass in the taskbar. Type CMD or command prompt into the search bar. Click on the command prompt or command prompt admin result that appears in the search results. Fourth one is using Windows PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell. You can do this by searching for PowerShell in the Start menu. In the PowerShell window, simply type CMD and press Enter. This will launch the command prompt. This is the fifth method, using File Explorer. Open File Explorer, formerly known as Windows Explorer. Navigate to the folder where you want to open the command prompt. Click on the address bar at the top of the File Explorer window. Type CMD and press Enter. This will open the command prompt with the current directory set to the folder you were in. Sixth one is using a shortcut. Create a desktop shortcut for command prompt by right-clicking on the desktop. Select New and then choose Shortcut. In the location field of the shortcut wizard, type CMD-EXE, click Next, give your shortcut a name and click Finish. Double-click the shortcut on your desktop to open CMD. Seventh is using Task Manager. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, click on File in the top left corner. Select Run New Task. In the Create New Task dialog, type CMD. Optionally, check the box that says, Create this task with administrative privileges. If you want to open an elevated command prompt, click OK to open the command prompt. Last method is using Run as Administrator. Right-click on the Start button or press Windows+X from the context menu that appears. Choose either Windows Terminal, Admin, or Command Prompt, Admin, to open an elevated command prompt with administrative privileges. These methods provide you with a range of options to open the command prompt in Windows, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your needs, whether it's for standard tasks or administrative operations. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.